ladies and gentlemen, as we get closer and closer to our first camping trip of the season, we are heading off to go get the trailer de-winterized. To hell with this! There's been a change of plans. Originally, we were supposed to get the trailer de-winterized today. However,
Michigan decided not to de-winterize.
Michigan happens. Michigan happens to our plans. And Michigan has happened to these plans. It is pouring rain. It has poured rain since late last night. And it's going to pour rain until late tomorrow night. We decided not to get soaked to the bone while hitching and unhitching, and then having to hitch and then unhitch.
And don't forget, it's supposed to also ice storm tonight, so de-winterizing seemed like a silly thing to do when we're getting ice. Yeah,
it's going to get cold again. Not that we would have had anything in the pipes because we're not going camping just yet, but next weekend.
Yay!
Next weekend, so we're going to get de-winterized the day we go, which will be fun. Drop it off in the morning, go to work for half a day, come back, pick it up, and then hit the open road. About 20 minutes away for some light camping. Shake off the rust, get the cobwebs off, that sort of thing. So until then, what we've decided to do is, well, we got a little catalog from the camping world, and my wife went through it and found some things that she wants to buy with some coupons. So we're headed there now in the pouring rain. But she gets to drive.
You know what that means? He gets to fill my gas.
You know,
in the pouring rain.
It seems to me, and tell me if you've noticed this too, that over the past year or so, my wife has become evil. Just full-on devious evil. She takes a lot of pleasure in my misery.
Not me. Never.
It's true.
I'm not evil. I just appreciate that he does this in the rain for me. And apparently puts on a show while he does so. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. They got a new sign.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, you need a brush? That'll get me to wash it.
Hey, whatever, get you to wash it.
Gotta get the TP.
Is that the good kind?
Yeah.
Sweet. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure we need one of these.
You need this. Yes.
She's
That's
right.
Awesome.
I do need this. Like a hole in the head. I'm sorry, 25 down to 16. That is still about $15 more than it should cost. What does it say? What are we looking for?
I thought
Give me the skinny.
I thought we might want this.
A puppy paw pillow?
No, the one at home is where you park it.
Oh.
And it's not a pillow, it's a tire cover for
Oh.
the back of the trailer.
Oh. Shouldn't we like have one made that says Campfires and air conditioning?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we'll do that. Maybe. We'll see.
And also I wanted to see the ladder purchase, the cost of the telescoping ladder, because it says that it's on sale, but it would reveal the price at the register.
Just trying to stuff stuff into my... Don't you have a purse?
Yeah, but it's better in your pocket, then I'll see it, and I won't forget to use it.
Well, now I know my duty. This is why I'm here. I'm here to carry stuff.
Oh, here's the other stuff. They had towels to match our sheets that we bought. And,
Do they have a sandwich?
no, they don't have sandwich.
I'm kind of hungry.
And I thought maybe another flag for our little thing. Or maybe this thing.
Hey, I got an idea. Instead of going through the catalog, let's go through the store.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. And lights. Party lights.
Yeah.
So those are the things I was looking for.
Get some
Just
lights.
so you have an idea of what to find me.
Right. I won't be doing any of the looking. I'll just be walking around. Honey, do we need tack glasses?
Tack glasses!
In case we have to engage in any nighttime assaults while we are
Only if
leisurely
we get
camping?
the tack light and the tack lamp with it. Yeah, like this.
It almost matches old blue.
We have some couple sets like
I know,
that though.
but this is my old blue truck.
Yeah, but we don't have.
She makes me feel so guilty because I got rid of the blue truck and got a gray one. I just wanted to match the trailer, but she makes me feel bad about it. I feel sad that I got rid of the blue truck. Oh well, I have this one for 3 years. We'll see what happens next time. And if this tears us apart. If anything could, it would be that. Where'd she go? Oh, whew. I thought it tore us apart for a second there. I thought she was gone altogether, but nope, she's still there. Anyway, got a gray truck, so.
Do we need a deep dish searing griddle?
Can't you just give me some time?
I think we need them.
What is this?
It's a 52-cent grab-a-bubble. You can catch the bubbles and stack them on each other. I think we need it.
Fair enough.
Psst.
I found the poopers.
The poopers.
There's the poopers. In case you were looking for them.
The toilets.
Were you looking for the toilets? Were you looking for the poopers? Were you looking for the thrones? Because there they are.
It's your favorite seat.
Treacherous, I tell you. Treacherous.
It's $13. Can I buy it?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm a sucker. One thing we have not properly considered getting for the RV, I didn't even really know existed, but now I do, and now we have to consider it properly. Pizza oven.
Pizza.
Probably burn out every fuse and circuit in the entire RV.
Okay, this is a very important decision.
What?
We need to figure out what kind of lights we want to dangle on our awning.
That is important.
It's very important. There's so many options.
Yep, so it's really important.
Why are you walking away?
And where will we be dangling these?
Off the awning.
They're not going to bonk me in the head, are they?
I don't think so. That awning's pretty high.
All right.
Not those. Those are too expensive. So are those. I want the cheap ones. Look at this. $9.
Well, yeah, but they look like they're worth about $4. I like these.
These
I
here?
like the little cage lights, and I like the little lantern lights.
But do you like them $20 for 10 lights?
I don't know. I might like these round swirly lights. That's literally what they're called, round swirly lights for $10. Oh, flutterbys.
Flutterbys are good.
Would be patriotic.
That's only good on, certain parts of the year.
Honey, I'm American all year long.
Do These are cute. They're metal and they got little campers etched into them.
Yeah. How much are those?
These are only $10. And it does 8.5 feet. So if we got 2, I think we would have enough.
Okay. That's what you want. Looks like a decision has been made.
Do we need to get flamingos?
We were at the store the other day, and there was a shirt, and it had a flamingo on it. It had a bunch of flamingos on it, and I wanted to get it because I thought it was fun and hilarious. She wouldn't let me get it. And now she's like, should we get this thing with the flamingo? Should we get these flamingos down here?
Flamingos are great, but on that shirt it was gross.
No, it was majestic.
It was gross. It was a peach shirt with flamingos on it.
It was beautiful. It paid homage to the majestic creatures that are the pink flamingo. But she wants this in our yard. Look, athletic supporters. We might be changing our mind because these are little jars with LED lights in them, and they sort of match the little flag thing that we have.
Yeah, and there's a lot more feet in them than that. We only need one of these to do the whole awning.
And how much is one of those?
I don't know. It doesn't tell me. We'll have to find a scanner.
We found the price of the Firefly jars, $15, which makes them cheaper than these. To make sure that I'm getting a proper clean after a morning constitutional, I'll be getting Bob's butt wipes trying these things out because they're biodegradable and they'll
And you can
dissolve.
put them in the toilet. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, they'll take care of themselves in the septic and biodegrade and keep me squeaky clean. And believe me, I do squeak. What'd you find?
I found the throne room.
Oh my gosh, more poopers.
More poop over here too.
Huh?
And there's more down there.
Huh?
They're everywhere.
Huh?
Poopers everywhere.
So many poopers. It's a poopery of poopers.
I found Campa tape to go with our bacon tape.
She's found them. Fruit pillows.
This one sounds a little angry.
Maybe it had time. God, there are so many poopers in this place. They should really change the name of Camping World to Poopers Are Us. Because poopers, they are. Alright, we're all done grabbing stuff and putting it in our cart. Now it's time to go find out what the damage is. See how much of this stuff we're going to put back. What did you do?
I bought a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, you did.
I need it.
Yeah, I think you do.
I need to go. Save yourself.
I am made of sugar, so it's very possible I could melt.
Yeah.
All right. Here, hold on to this.
Okay. Where are we going?
Well, we're gonna go home.
Home?
And then, but probably before that, find some place to have lunch.
Yes.
We have not had a meal today.
Here you go.
And I think we're both ready.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we did some damage. And this one, Iron Will over here, caved like a house of cards when they offered her the special introductory credit card to get another $10 off.
Yeah, but you get 3 points for every dollar spent on gas.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
We'll just use it for gas.
That'll be the new gas card. And yeah, and I guess you get points if you use it lots of different places, I think you said. So
yeah.
Not that I'm promoting their credit card or anything, but
they say you get 1% everywhere, 3% on gas, and 5% on there. So.
Which we go there maybe twice a year.
Yeah, but
Don't
when we
lot.
we spend over $100.
That's true. So anyway, so maybe that'll come in handy. But just like with your jammies, you bring one on, you let one go. So we'll have to figure that out.
I let Home Depot go since they took away my points.
That's right. Well, they took away also the little discount that you get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
Lame.
The discount. You used to get 5% off if you
Just
use their card, and now they don't do that anymore. Yeah. So their card's kind of useless.
That's what I have to say about that. All right, off to lunch.
Yes.
Walk! Walk! Honey, do you know what time it is? It's walk o'clock! That person in front of us is going to be very happy that we just recorded their license plate. I'm going to blur out part of it. Or will I? Well, you already saw it, so you can tell that I did. Damn it. I'm not as trickery as I thought.
Alright, put that away. We gotta find somewhere to eat.
We gotta find somewhere to eat. That's it.
Campfire. Feels good. My back is cold from the rain. Wow. And then you gotta put this yummy, yummy blackberry stuff on it. And some extra to dip.
The meal here at Clada was very satisfying. It was very enjoyable. I had a good time. I believe the missus did as well. It was very good.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go home and
take a nap.
Die. She's gonna take a nap. I'm just gonna die.
Carb meltdown.
It's a big meal, but it's probably like our only meal of the day.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I'm editing the video, and we just realized that I forgot something. But it's very important. So here it is. Until next time, be good.